Hi, I'm Morten. I'm from Roland, and here at ISE 2024 we are presenting some really great updates to some of our existing products. First of all, I'd like to talk about the V-160 version 3, which adds some really powerful features to an already powerful product. Previous in the current software we had one Aux bus, meaning that we have one extra feed for an external screen that we can specify with composition layers and all that. But now in the version 3 that we're introducing at ISE, we actually added 2 more Aux buses. So now we have a total of 3 buses. How you control that while we only have 1 row of buttons is that you hold down the Aux button and then you get the 2 rows here, and you can choose Aux 1, 2, 3. So while holding down this Aux button over here, mode switch, you can actually control and access the 3 buses. Of course you can do that from our remote software as well. You can change to Aux Bus Level and you'll see this corresponding to the buttons that you are switching. So 3 Aux buses now will actually change the applications where you can use this device, because you have some extra screens that you can assign for different purposes, which is so important. Other features that we added, we added an adaptive noise reduction, which actually actively analyzes the noise floor, and then you can lower that noise floor and get a higher dynamic range. Also, we added loudness control. So this is a feature where you can specify the level over time, so you get the perfect aligned level for your output source. Third thing, very nice feature as well, as Apple introduced the iOS 17 on iPad, where you are now able to do a bidirectional video via the USB. We actually use that feature now to be able to send a video feed to the iPad. So you can actually use that as a multi-viewer, or you can see any of the buses, Aux bus 1, 2, 3. You can go to the downstream key source or the program out. So you can choose, and you can even operate, since it's of course an iPad, with a touch display. So if I go to PGM out, you can see the switching directly from the screen, not only with just the label and the button, but now you see the actual video feed in the iPad, which is a great feature as well. So these are the main new functions. Additionally, we have added some more views to the camera control. We can control a PTZ camera as we are looking at on the right side here. We now can control with the cheapest possible option to control a PTZ camera with a numeric keyboard that is of course very low price option you can get in any 7-Eleven. You can control the camera's parameters as usual. Of course, add any way of controlling it. Also the iPad. As you can see here, it's actually showing the feedback when changing the directions on the camera. It's showing the animation feedback in the iPad. So this is a new view. The standard view was this view with all the parameters. But now we've added this view where you see 4 cameras at the same time as channel strips. Well known is that we are able to operate with different protocols within our camera control. So you don't need to have the same brand of PTZ cameras. You can combine any at the same time. So for more information, you can go to proav.roland.com. and we get the full information about this fantastic update, which will be online and released next week.